Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Proscenic out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find, 1 WashVac F20 vacuum cleaner, 1 vacuum cleaner handle, along with a cleaning brush, spare HEPA filter, along with 1 user guide, to guide users on the operations. A charging dock base is also included to dock the vacuum cleaner when not in use. A spare cleaning brush along with a wall power adapter is provided. A battery is also provided to power up the vacuum. First install the handle onto the vacuum before use. On first impressions, the Proscenic WashVac F20 cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner is a modern, sleek and stylish vacuum cleaner which looks good and of good quality. At the front, you will find a 1-liter dirty water tank to store all the dirty water the vacuum cleaner cleans up from the floor. At the back, users will find another water tank. This time it's a 1-liter clean water tank for you to fill up clean liquid to clean your floors. It is a good-sized battery which you can insert it into the machine for it to have a maximum run time of around 45 minutes on full charge. Pretty long running time. On first boot up, as you see, it has a cool LED monitoring screen to see the battery percentage, along with the cleaning mode it is running. Really easy to use. Simply place the docking base discreetly at the corner of the room and plug it in with the wall adapter provided. It will begin charging efficiently and in style with the charging base plugged into the vacuum machine. Now let's fill up the clean water tank and get it started. Simply fill it up with water and return the water tank to the vacuum cleaner when done. Let's try it out now to see how it fares. As you can see and hear, it is running very quietly and with minimal disturbances thanks to the quiet motor. It is easily maneuverable and can be rolled around in all directions conveniently and effortlessly. Let's try sucking up some dry mess on the floor. As you saw, the mess is easily sucked up thanks to the 15 kPa suction power on the vacuum cleaner. It easily sucks up both wet and dry messes effortlessly. Now, moving on to a wet mess test. As you see, the floor has some wet sauce stains that look very hard to remove. With just a roll over the mess, the Proscenic WashVac F20 cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner is able to clean up stains and difficult messes on the floor with ease. Great! My floor is now perfectly cleaned. Awesome! Let's check out different modes on the vacuum cleaner.
Water absorption mode. Smart mode.
As you heard, there are different modes like Smart Mode, Max Mode, and Disinfection Mode, all different modes with their own unique features and functions. The WashVac F20 also features multi-surface floor cleaning functions. It can clean wood, ceramic, marble and even cement all with ease. The brush works great on different types of flooring. Also noticed how much dirty water is stored in the dirty water tank as you see here. Simply return the vacuum cleaner to the dock, and press the self-cleaning button to allow the vacuum cleaner to self-clean automatically. It will provide users with hands-free, and hassle-free cleaning and maintenance after each usage by auto-cleaning the brush.
Please empty the wastewater tank. Charging.
The entire process is complete in around a minute or two. Notice the cool antibacterial light which allows the brush to be disinfected with the antibacterial light. Really innovative feature. Simply empty the dirty water tank in the sink and look how dirty the water is from all the cleaning. Very effective. With the Proscenic WashVac F20 cordless wet and dry vacuum, users can complete their floor maintenance with ease and effectiveness thanks to the innovative design and functionality offered on the machine. If you want to find out more about the WashVac F20, find out more with the link in description.